Right, so we're here. China rooms. Where are we, Ida?
The China room!
Best Chinese going this.
我们一生注定是沧桑，
I don't expect the second on the table.
苦之来要笑着走过呀，
That's me
朋
playing.
友啊，
Mine's a bit spicy.
让我们一起来。
Now then, that's the China rooms. Pint of Sunlick. What do we have? A mixture and starter. Sweet prawn crackers.
Not cold.
What did I have? Chicken and sweet corn soup.
Special fried
Crispy
rice.
chili beef, special fried rice, curry sauce, chips, soft noodles, pint of Sunlick, cracking pint by the way,
Where's the car?
vodka lime lemonade, and world's most expensive drink, the J2O, 70 quid, not too bad. Cracking Chinese that place. If you're ever in Westhoughton, get yourself down there, belter. Anyway, there's another shite food review for you. Have a good one.